So hello student friends, welcome to this lecture series on digital techniques, where we are now into the discussion of flip-flops, the sequential logic circuit. And just to give you again a brief overview how these sequential logic circuits can be classified is asynchronous and synchronous. Okay. So sequential logic circuits can be classified as asynchronous sequential circuits and synchronous sequential circuits. Okay, now asynchronous means it is independent of this time or clock pulse. We have seen this in the last lecture. What do we mean by this clock pulse? Okay, again we'll be discussing about that in this lecture also. And synchronous means in synchronism with time or in synchronism with clock pulse. So as long as you don't have any clock pulse, your flip-flop will not be affected. उसका आउटपुट चेंज नहीं होगा जब तक कोई क्लॉक पल्स वहाँ पे नहीं आता. Okay. So this synchronous sequential logic circuits takes us to the point of this triggering of flip-flop. So in the last lecture we had discussed what do we mean by triggering. Triggering मतलब क्या है? It's just simply making on the circuit. It's like when you switch on the button of the fan, then your fan is triggered and technically the motor starts rotating. Okay, so you are switching on that motor. Right, so that is what triggering means. Now most of the digital circuits you will find both this synchronous, which are clock dependent, and asynchronous, which are clock independent. Okay, so let us see these points one by one. So triggering means making the circuit on or work at specific time. At very specific time you are supposed to make that circuit on. Okay, in the clocked flip-flop, the output of flip-flop will change in accordance with the input. जैसे input आएगा वैसे change होगा, लेकिन कब? Only when the clock is applied. This is part of synchronous sequential logic circuit. Okay, so this is a part of synchronous sequential logic circuit, right? Now here you can actually see the classification of these triggering methods. Now it is that suppose we want to make a circuit on, then what different methods can be used to trigger that flip-flop. Okay, so these triggering methods can be classified as edge triggering. Okay, edge, E-D-G-E, edge, and level triggering. Okay, now again this edge triggering can be positive edge triggering and negative edge triggering. So positive edge is also called as rising edge and negative edge is also called as falling edge. Then this level triggering again can be classified as positive level triggering and negative level triggering. So four these different methods can be used to trigger the flip-flop, and that is simply based on this clock pulse. Based on this clock pulse, you have four different methods with which you can trigger the flip-flop. So consider this clock pulse. This is called as clock pulse or train or clock pulse, right? It is denoted as CK. Now you see this is at level 0 and this is as level 1, because in binary we have everything as 0 and 1. Now as I said, rising edge and falling edge, or positive level and negative level. So you can see this is 0 and this is 1. So arrow here the transition from 0 to 1. Now this is 0 and it is having transition from 0 to 1. Okay, so this point is called as rising edge or positive edge. So this is edge. Okay, edge, corner, edge, right? And then this is level. This is 1 level, this is 0 level. This is 1 level, this is 0 level. 1 is also called as high level, 0 is also called as low level. Okay, so this is 0 level, negative, high level, positive. And you can then see here this one, when the transition is from 1 to 0. Okay, so that is called as falling edge, because it is falling from level high to level low or level 1 to level 0. Now your flip-flop gets triggered at this very specific point. यहाँ पे अगर हम नेगेटिव एज ट्रिगरिंग कर रहे हैं तो ये पॉइंट पे वो ट्रिगर होगा, मीन्स ये पॉइंट पे फ्लिप फ्लॉप ऑन होगा. और अगर हम बोल रहे हैं पॉजिटिव एज ट्रिगर तो ये पॉइंट पे, दिस पॉइंट एट दिस वेरी स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट, यहाँ पे ही, कहीं और पे नहीं, नॉट एनी अदर पॉइंट, एट दिस स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट आपका फ्लिप फ्लॉप ऑन होगा. और जब हम बोलते हैं पॉजिटिव लेवल और हाई लेवल, तो आपका जो फ्लिप फ्लॉप है वो ये लेवल, जितना ये लेवल है फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस, यहाँ तक वो ऑन रहेगा. इफ आई एम सेइंग पॉजिटिव लेवल ट्रिगर्ड फ्लिप फ्लॉप. And if I am saying negative level triggered, then for this duration of time your flip flop remains on. ठीक है, इतने टाइम के लिए वो ऑन रहता है. ये लेवल का है. एज का कैसा है, सिर्फ इतने पॉइंट के लिए वो ऑन होगा, बाकी कहीं पे भी नहीं, जस्ट फॉर दैट स्पेसिफिक टाइम. ओके, all right, so let us see this triggering one by one. So first we'll see level triggering, right? Level means we have positive level which is 1 and negative level which is 0, right? So positive level triggered or triggering flip flop, and specifically let us see for SR flip flop. Now if you remember, in the last lecture we had discussed this clocked SR flip flop using NAND gate. In that we had discussed positive level triggered flip flop. We already discussed this, right? So your flip flop changes its output only when this positive level is encountered and not for any other this level, right? Okay, so again, to understand this positive level triggered, you can go for that previous video lecture, right? So I am not going to discuss here. Let us see the next type, that is negative level triggered or triggering flip flop. Okay, now everything in that circuit remains same except one change. Now here, since this is a clock pulse and we wanted to or we had this positive level, now since we want to have negative level, अब मुझे पॉजिटिव की जगह नेगेटिव, 1 की जगह 0 पे उसको ट्रिगर करना है. यहाँ ये ड्यूरेशन के लिए, इतना ड्यूरेशन के लिए मुझे अगर उसको ऑन रखना है तो जस्ट एक माइनर चेंज आई वुड डू इन दैट प्रीवियस सर्किट. और वो चेंज क्या है, ये देखो, यहाँ पे मैंने नॉट गेट अप्लाई किया है. सो दिस इज नॉट गेट. नॉट गेट क्या करता है, 1 को 0 और 0 को 1 करता है, राइट? अदरवाइज यू कैन सी द सर्किट ऑलमोस्ट रिमेन्स सेम, ओके, एक्सेप्ट दिस चेंज. Now instead of this positive level, your flip flop gets triggered at this 0 level. और बाकी उसका जो ट्रूथ टेबल है, उसका वर्किंग है, इज सेम एज दैट वी हैव सीन फॉर दिस पॉजिटिव लेवल SR फ्लिप फ्लॉप. right? Only the difference is it is getting triggered at low level. तो हमारा क्लॉक पल्स जब 0 है तभी उसका आउटपुट चेंज होगा, राइट? सो दिस इज अ सिंबल, सर्किट सिंबल फॉर निगेटिव लेवल ट्रिगरिंग, ठीक है? अब ये S है, R है, दिस इज नॉर्मल आउटपुट एंड दिस इज इन्वर्टेड आउटपुट, राइट? आई विल कम टू दिस पॉइंट, प्रीसेट एंड क्लियर, जस्ट ओके। सो यहाँ पे देखो क्लॉक पल्स लगाया है और दिस बबल, नाउ दिस बबल मीन्स नॉट गेट, जो यहाँ पे हमने नॉट गेट यूज किया है। अगर कहीं पे आपको ऐसा सिंबल दिखता है, यहाँ पे बबल है, तो इट मीन्स दैट इट इज अ नेगेटिव लेवल ट्रिगर्ड SR फ्लिप फ्लॉप। सो प्लीज बियर विद दिस disturbance, vehicle disturbance, as it is unavoidable, and yeah, please bear that. So this is a NOT gate, so this indicates that it is a negative level triggering SR flip flop, right? Now there can be another flip flops also, so instead of SR we can have JK flip flop also, but this symbol here remains same, okay? So truth table. Now we have seen the truth table for this clocked SR flip flop, right? We can even see for this negative level triggered SR flip flop. Okay, so just consider our output clock is 1. So if my clock is 1, whatever my value of SR would be, still there is no change. Why? Because here we are looking for negative level, means 0 level, okay? And then if my clock is 0, I can go for this different combinations. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, okay? So here when R is equal to 1, this is reset, so output is 0, and this is called as reset. When S is 1, output is 1, it is called as set, okay? For this 0 0, your output again remains no change. This we have seen in previous lecture with the working of this SR flip flop. I'm just revising it, right? And for 1 1, it is invalid state, right? So this is how the working of the flip flop is, okay, right? So in the next lecture we'll go for this edge triggering flip flop. I hope these level triggering flip flop concepts are quite clear for you, right? So in the next lecture we can go for edge triggering flip flop. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you.